Hi everyone, I am now going to show you how to create a screencast of make a let's say a elevator pitch, a calling card. So a very short video introduction of who you are, the type of work you're looking for, your skills and your strengths. And we're going to do that with a program called Screencast-O-Matic, which is the one I've been using throughout this course. So let's go to the assignment first. So show it to you. Let's open that up. There's a Word document. It says read and print because it's detailed instructions on how to use Screencast-O-Matic. So I suggest you do print that off. So there's some reading here on what an elevator pitch is and how it could be used in job search. And then here you have the instructions on how to use Screencast-O-Matic. The end of this assignment, I'm going to scroll quickly here, is a script that you can fill in and that you can use to practice for creating this screencast. Also, you can have this open on your screen on your desktop when you're making the recording, so you can refer to it. So that might be something that makes it a bit easier for you. So here we go. Here, there's two ways to create a screencast. You can do it so it's that the program is recording what's on your computer screen, as well as it'll have this. Let's see on the side here. It'll have a little recording of you, a little video of you on the bottom, and it'll also record your actual desktop, whatever's on your computer screen. You can do that. Or you can choose to just make a webcam. And you will see that you'll have choices. When you open up the program, it'll say, do you want to do a webcam, a screen, or both? So both meaning both the screen and the webcam. If you just do the screen, then you won't have any sound. So it's either a webcam or both. So the instructions are all there, very detailed. Everything's there for you. So let's just go to the website. Okay. So when you go to the website, you're going to see log in, sign up. You don't need to do any of that. You can just do start recording, and it'll start recording. It'll start flashing 3, 2, 1, and then it'll record. You see this line, this little square here? It'll say everything within the square is being recorded. So as I said, so let's do start recording. Let's see what happens here. It says that there's something already open. That's because I'm recording at the same time. But that's okay. Let's go back here. You have the instructions on your written on the assignment. Now, when you're finished, when you get the recording, you can choose to you want to publish it onto YouTube. So I'm going to open the assignment here. Let's see. So at the end, here's your instructions on going through here, and then you'll get to the end here. It says if you like the recording, choose to go upload to YouTube. So I want you to do that. And then it's going to say name your recording. So give it a name of My Elevator Pitch with your name on it. And then after it's published, and then you choose publish. And then after it's published, it's going to say, what do you want to do with this recording? So you can copy. So make sure that you copy the link, choose that, and then I want you to post the link to this to your video in the discussion forum under job search. And also the second step is to post a link to your video on our class wiki. If you can recall our class wiki, you had instructions on how to add to a page, and the page I've created is called My Elevator Pitch. So put your name on it, say this is the link to My Elevator Pitch. I would suggest that you consult with your learning partner and mentor on this activity because it actually is easy. It sounds a little bit harder than it is. And you can redo the recording as many times as you want. And also let me know if you're having any trouble and I can help you out. So good luck with that and have lots of fun. It's really not hard. So good luck.